Hi, this is Paul with Synergy, and this is a video that will demonstrate how to create a slideshow on your ClubsitePro website. Now, assuming we're already logged in as the administrator of the website, the first thing that I want to do is get to the back end or the dashboard. So I'll just click on my website name up here, and it will show me the dashboard. Before I can insert a slideshow into a page, I need to actually create the slideshow. And I do that by clicking on this MetaSlider link. And this is going to show me whatever slideshows that I have. This tab here at the top is an existing slideshow, the name of an existing slideshow that's called Test Slideshow. We're going to create a new one by clicking the new link. Now you can see this is turned into an input box, so I can now give my slideshow a name. And then I need to start adding slides, so I'll click on the Add Slides button. That's going to bring me into my image library. If I had images loaded already, I would be able to just select them and start using them, but I'm going to create a slideshow from files that I'm going to upload from my computer. So I'll click on Upload Files, and then I'll click Select Files, and it's going to bring up a file browser here. I've already selected my folder that I want to work in, and from here I can click an individual image and you'll see it will be highlighted. If I want to select multiple images, I can hold down the Control key, and you can see now when I hit Control and click, now there's two images selected. I'm going to hold my Control key down and I'm going to click my other two images. Now I'll click Open, and you can see that WordPress is uploading my images right now. And by this checkbox here, you can see that all of those images are selected. If I wanted to deselect one, I could just click on the check and the check would go away. Otherwise, I can start clicking on images again. I just clicked on this image and it deselected all of them. So to select multiple images, I'm going to need to hold down my Control key and select each of the images. And at this point, I could also select additional images. I have my 4 images selected. I'm going to click Add to Slideshow. And now my another slideshow is filled in with 4 images. If I want to rearrange them, I just mouse over the title bar of the image that I want to move, and you can see that the cursor changes to that 4-arrowed cursor. And then I'm going to click and hold, and I'm just going to drag it. So, there. I'm going to scroll back up to the top, and I'm going to click Save. And a little wait symbol appeared there, and then it disappeared, and that's the only indication that you get that my slideshow has been saved. At this point now, I can mouse over New, and I'm going to create a new page. As always, I give my page a title. And I'm going to click down into my first block. And I'm going to click the plus sign, which is the Add a Block, and then it'll bring up my list of blocks that I can add. I want to add a meta slider, and since I've used it before, it shows up in my most used. If I didn't see it there, I could just start typing MetaSlider in my search bar and it will show up. So now I'm going to click MetaSlider. It wants to know which slideshow I want. So I'll click on the drop down, and here are the 2 slideshows that I have listed here. I'm going to select another slideshow. And then I'm going to click Publish. It wants to know if this is for public visibility or if we want to publish it right away. I'm going to say that this is going to be private because I only want my members to see this. And now you can see that we are published. I want to view the page, so I'm going to click View. And here's my slideshow. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful.